I did the blood work where I found out that I'm still fine on my EAAs and BCAAs, even though I am doing the injectable in the morning, and that I have also extra in my drink, my first gallon of water throughout the day with my sodium and dextrose. It's like, so for me, at least I'm trying to do the very best I can for my body and rebuilding it. And again, I understand my calorie intake. I understand how much food I'm eating, carbs, fat, proteins, and then I'm just trying to do the best I can on optimizing it as well.
Right.
I keep record of everything, so I know what I'm doing. I do recommend for you guys, if you guys want to, I guess, be able to change and go, okay, I need to take my protein up a little bit. I'm not recovering. I'm not building muscle. I'm not getting stronger, or I need to take my carbs up. But all those kind of things, again, with the blood work can help you out and show you where you're lagging.
It's a big one. It's definitely a roadmap to your own body. Being able to see inside, being able to see where what's at, right? Like the amino acids, like you were talking about that panel. It's such a cool panel. It really is. And a lot of people don't even know that like you can test for that. And we talk about testing for all of your amino acids, the non-essential and the essential ones. So at that point, you're seeing, is your body really getting what it should get, right? And if you say that one, you can get all of these things from your food sources, do it, test, and see. If not, then that can show you where you need to supplement a little bit more or try to eat some more food if that's what you're trying to do. But you can test your lines. Like if you were dead sure that you had the best supplement line ever and everything was going to be perfect on it, it was going to put everybody's levels above and optimal. You could test it through blood and see really where it's at. Because we can see. I mean, I test mine all the time. I know we test Mike, and at that point you can see. And trust me, Mike is probably your best example of one of the most consistent human beings that I know, besides myself. But he's very consistent. He's been here longer than me, so I got to give him props on that. He knows what he's doing. He's been doing it a long time. So at that point, if he's not there all the way sometimes, then you are definitely not there. I want to definitely see some blood work because every blood work that I see on that panel, Mike, I never see anybody like they're at least 3 or 4 off, 3 to 4. And it's really weird. It's just really different too for a lot of people.
Yeah.
But, some people might be glutamine. Some people might be ornithine. It might be leucine. It might be all these different ones. But the branch chains, I definitely see a deficiency in people that aren't into supplementation. So if it's a regular person that doesn't go to the gym, could care less, they're a little bit overweight and obese, at that point, usually I see them with the most deficiencies, I guess. And maybe that's because they're not eating healthy, they're not active or whatever it may be. I don't know. But that's usually where I do see it. Usually the people that are supplementing some sort, they usually got pretty good levels, but they're often like maybe 1 or 2.
I think it's only a benefit. I don't see how it isn't a benefit. At least check it, see where you're at, and then make that decision on it.